everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are all having a fabulous day. So in today's video, I'm working on a 16 by 20 canvas and I've got my flip cup here that I will be using. I'm going to be doing a couple different techniques in this video. I just did one recently where I did a sandwich flip cup, and which is either whatever color you choose on the bottom, all your other colors in the middle, and then the same color on the top. So same colors on the top and bottom. That's a little bit easier. And then I didn't like it, so I ended up doing like a puddle pour, or almost, well, it turned out to be like a bloom, and it looked like a dandelion when I got done. It was totally accidental, and I loved it. I loved it, I loved it, I loved it. And so did my mama, and she's actually going to be getting it. So I can't wait to get that varnished up and ready for her to go. So anyway, I'm going to attempt to do something similar. I've got some darker colors because those were pastels. If you missed that video, I can link that in the description and you can go check it out. So I've got here, this is from the Fine Touch, which is now the Master's Touch, and this is just blue. And then my yellow is golden something, I don't know where the bottle is. So this one is a golden yellow light or something with a B. I can't remember it, it's a long word. Anyway, and then this one here is also from the Fine Touch, it's Phthalo Turquoise, and then I added some golden fluid acrylics turquoise, just to kind of, you can see, darkened up just a little. It's really pretty. I love adding the golden just to give it a little extra turquoisey color. So, and then this one here is two I mixed together, and I don't have the bottle for the other one. It was Liquitex Basics Magenta, and then this one is, of course, the Fine Touch Pink. And where's my purple? Okay, for my purple, I have got Prism Violet from Liquitex Basics. And then I've got my white, which is Artist Loft and Liquitex Basics Titanium White. In my last video, I used Folk Art White Pearl, and I started to get a little bit of cells, and I don't want that. So I'm not using White Pearl this time. And we'll see what happens, but I do have two cell activators. I have my white and my black, and those are both from Amsterdam. I've got titanium white, and I use lamp black. I know other people use there's another black, but I like the lamp black. That's just a personal preference. And these colors are mixed a little bit different because they're more of a medium bodied paint compared to the last one, which was they were all Folk Art Craft paints, and they're all thicker. So we're gonna see what happens, if the consistency is gonna make a difference in that. And these are all mixed like 1 part paint to 2 parts. Whoops, 2 parts, 2.5 parts. Some of them pouring medium, whereas wait, I'm doing this wrong. I don't want to do that. I want to start over this way. So my other ones were a 1-to-1 ratio, and they were much thinner. I don't usually work with, I don't prefer, I guess I should say, to work with thinner, but that one was just kind of a fun thing I was trying, and it actually worked out in the end, so I was really happy about that. But these are already mixed in my bottle, and I'm just going to give it a go and, you know, see what happens. So I'm just going to layer these. I'm hoping to get some nice blending of the colors here, and, you know, maybe see if it's a nice background to add the flower or flowers to. I apologize, my throat's a little scratchy today. I'm not sure why. If it was, I was recently at a hockey game in Tampa. My husband and I are really big hockey fans, and our team, the Red Wings, were playing the Lightning, and it was a very fun time, and I did a lot of yelling. So my throat's a little sore. So, but it was worth it. It was awesome, awesome time. So anyway, back to the painting. So yeah, so I did mix all of these colors with my regular pouring medium, which is Floetrol, Liquitex pouring medium, and a little golden GAC800, and then a little bit of water as well. And I've been using that that mix for 3 years-ish, maybe a little more. It took me a minute to kind of get my mix figured out that I like to use. Now I do still sometimes just use Floetrol and water, but I like the way that the Liquitex works with the paint. So that's why I use more Liquitex than I do Floetrol. So all right, we're getting to the top, and I'm out of the purple. So now I'm just going to go ahead and top it off with the white and try to get it all the way across the top. You can see my paints are a little thicker, but I'm just hoping for really no cells. Now, when I say that, I'll probably get a bunch, but we'll see if it's something that maybe will look good. So anyway, let me get these cleaned up real quick and out of the way. Kind of got a mess over here. All right. Okay. So I'm just going to do a quick flip. I'm not going to lift it because it's too heavy. So here we go. Woo, that worked out not too bad. So last time I also put some white around because I don't really know if this is going to be enough for the canvas, but I'm just going to use a little bit just to kind of get it started, I suppose. That's kind of heavy in the middle. You can see that it's weighing it down. So I'm just going to kind of do that. It'll help it spread a little bit. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and lift it now. Alright guys, so I moved my canvas, and I have got my mini blower, and I've actually got my middle-sized nozzle on here to start with. And I think I'm going to go ahead and just put a puddle like right here and kind of see what happens here. I'm really liking this. I actually like all of it, but I'm just going to start putting some paint on. And I'm out of purple, so I'm switching to some other metallic colors that I'm going to add to maybe give it a little extra shininess here. So I've got Tanzanite, and I've also got Dazzling Metallics from Deco Art Teal. I think this one is a Folk Art Tanzanite. And then I think that's going to be it for now. So I'm going to start with a puddle of blue, just a little bit of blue. And then I'm also going to add some Liquitex Basics Quinacridone Magenta to that. And then we'll do the metallic teal. Okay. I think I might add just a little bit. Add a little bit of this blue in the middle. Okay. Now I'm going to take, I think I'm going to use my black cell activator. So, I got the lid off of that. We'll do the black one right now. Okay. Alright guys, let's take a look at some closer ups of the wet painting, and you can kind of see there maybe that I added a little bit of black to the stem, kind of outlined it a little bit. I had left the room and didn't realize that my camera had shut off, so you didn't get to see that, but I just wanted it to stand out just a little bit more. I still wasn't sure about the painting at this point, so I kind of just left it. I do like the flower itself. I really love how the white came out from underneath, kind of highlights it a bit. So we will see how this dried. My fingers are crossed. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. And voila, there it is. I love it now. The back reminds me of the Aurora Borealis. And it looks super pretty. I do love, again, that part where the white came out. Looks really good. And the metallics really make this flower stand out. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with the results. So don't forget, guys, to like my video and subscribe to my channel. I'm really getting close to 20,000 subs. So if you want to share this with anybody, that would really be greatly appreciated. Don't forget, guys, to check out my Etsy shop for all your acrylic pouring tool needs. And I really hope you enjoyed my video today. I have a bunch more videos I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.